Kanta ulit tayo guys, New Voice Sensation. I am Renz. Let's sing with me. Are you taking the town again? Having a good time with all your good time friends. I don't think that you think of me. You're on your own now, and I'm alone and free. I know that I should get on with my life, but a life lived without you could never be right. As long as the stars shine down from the heaven, long as the rivers run to the sea, I'll never get over you getting over me. Try to smile somehow, won't you? Tell everybody I was glad to see you go, but the tears just won't go away. Loneliness found me, looks like it's here to stay. I know that I ought to find someone new, but all I found with myself, always thinking of you. As long as the stars shine down from the heavens, as long as the rivers run to the sea, I'll never get over you getting over me. Oh, no matter what I do, it's not a lifetime to leave you. I can't go on like this. I need your touch. You're the only one I ever loved. As the stars shine down from the heaven, long as the rivers run to the sea, I'll never get over you getting over me. I'll never get over you getting over, never get over you getting over. I'll never get over you getting over me. Yung mata ko namumugto. Tulungan nyo nga ako kumanta para mawala na to. Stress reliever. Magdamag walang tulog. Shine down from the heaven. Thank you so much guys for joining. I love you.